Hello guys and welcome to today's episode of class, and what we're going to be talking about what are the firewalls and how do they work. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information and more classes on cybersecurity. Firewalls are essential tools in cybersecurity, acting as the first line of defense between your internal network and the outside world. Firewalls are like a barricade or a blockade that keeps your servers or your systems or your personal computers from threats and viruses from outside worlds. That's when you log on to pages, applications, softwares, browsers, and all. That's the job of firewalls, to keep you safe from external threats. So these are firewalls. This is a graphical explanation from your personal computer. So that's the servers where you are on, that powers the internet, and that which the attacker is tapped into. So that firewall is there to keep you from all forms of threats, from the internet, from the servers, and from the hackers themselves. So as I said, the firewall is a network security device. It could be hardware, it could be software, it could be both. Monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. Its main job is to allow safe traffic and block harmful or unauthorized access. You think of it as a digital security guard that decides who gets in and who stays out. So how does firewall works? It inspects data packets, small units of data sent over a network, and determines whether to allow or block them based on IP addresses, which are like the identity of phones and devices, port numbers, or MacBooks that use MAC addresses. So, but for a Windows or a normal laptop or a device, they carry IP addresses which are used for tracking and for location sakes. Then we have the port numbers, which service is being accessed to. You have the protocols like HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Then the contents. Then they operate in several methods: packet filtering, stateful inspection, proxy service, and so on. So this is a graphical explanation from your internal private network, then the firewall, and then the internet. So it blocks unwanted traffic, and the traffic that you grant access to are the ones that is allowed to pass through the firewall and come to your PC or your private network. So this is a table for the types of firewalls. We have the network firewall, the host-based firewall, web application firewall, and the next gen firewall. So these are the description. For network firewall protects entire networks. The host base installed on individual devices and filters traffic to and from that device. And then you have that of the web application and that of the next gen firewall. Thank you very much.